Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be talking on the willpower and winning power. Both are the strong individual trait. People are having only positive thoughts and negative thoughts. Person who are having strong willpower to do anything and achieve anything, they are driven with the positive thoughts. हम कर लेंगे, जैसे कैसे भी हम कर लेंगे, जो भी स्थितियां आएंगी हम कर लेंगे, हर परिस्थिति में हम जीत लेंगे। इस तरीके की बात करने वाले आपके साथीगण, उनका विल पावर इतना स्ट्रांग होता है कि किसी भी तरीके का निगेटिव मोड अगर सोच में आ भी जाती है तो वो उसको बहुत ही अपने सूझबूझ के साथ साइड लाइन कर देते हैं या ख़त्म कर देते हैं और संपूर्ण गेम को जीत लेते हैं। उसी जगह पे जिनका विल पावर बहुत ही कमज़ोर होता है, विल पावर out of your biochemistry. It is not anything made in the materialistic world. It comes out of your personality and out of your biochemistry. What happened in the life? Both kind of person face the problem, optimistic and pessimistic. Optimistic person, as I just said, other way around, that having the positive attitude, positive thoughts, they always win the situation, all the situation. But opposite to the same, the pessimistic mind people means who finds difficulty in all the opportunity. They are called the pessimistic approach of people. If solution is there, even though in the solution they will see the problem. Where there is the clear path to win the goal, they also find the difficulties. Very poor willpower. Very, very poor willpower. Everywhere there is an obstacle in the mind. Whatever they think is obstacle. Whatever they talk is the obstacle. And in this style of life, they never win the situation. It is not possible to share and discuss the what are the situations up and downs comes in the life, because it is the unprojected and controlled by the nature. But whatever situation comes, in all the situation, the person having strong willpower, positive mind, positive attitude, they find out the way out and they perform. In the organization also, the high willpower, positive willpower people, they seek the opportunity in all the difficulties. Whatever negative atmosphere is there, whatever infrastructure lacking is there, whatever environmental problem is there, what our people made problems are there, all these problems they rule out from their professional life and they create a positive environment, positive situation, and they win the game. It is suggested that we should think positive, remain positive in all walk of our life, in all circumstances, in all situations. Think this way that problems comes to the people and you are also one among them. So if problem facer face the problem and create the win-win situation, why you cannot? So answer is very clear that you are not driven with the strong willpower, smart willpower, positive willpower, and rather you lose your heart before you diagnose the problem. You don't make any analysis of the problem. You don't undertake the problem. You don't face the problem. From far away from the problem, you take a decision that is negative decision that I cannot face this problem. It happens only when you are having very poor and weak willpower. So practice remain positive in each walk of the life, and at least diagnose the problem, approach the problem, understand the problem, and then work out the strategy to overtake the problem, to finish the problem, and make the life positive, a very strong willpower oriented life, and due to the people who are around you. Doing so, you may protect yourself, you may protect your friends, philosopher, mentor, and guides, who he may be in the life. In this video, I will stop saying anything further. Only punchline is that keep a watch on your positive willpower. Don't think about the negative willpower. You will win the life. You will have the wonderful life. You will have a smiling face always. You will always smile in all the difficulties. People will say that, see, that man is covered with the problem, but he is not worrying. Let's learn from his personality. Let us face the situation. Let us learn from each stumbling stone coming in your life, and make a good and prosperous mind. Healthy mind. Healthy mind means which is totally positive, which never thinks about the negative. Negative comes in mind, but you control that it should not start damaging your thought process. I will end here. Thank you very much. Namaskar.